Are you a coffee enthusiast, as I am? Do you appreciate that golden creme on your espresso shot? If so, don't waste your time on a consumer level, cheap grade espresso machine that simply wastes coffee and can't deliver that robust taste you're seeking in an espresso. This Pathfinder by Quick Mills is made in Italy. It's a prosumer level espresso machine that has all the benefits and features of high-level, expensive Italian machines that your local barista uses. The beauty of this machine is its compact size that you can put into your kitchen. It will deliver high-level espresso shots, both single and dual shots, as well as it has a touchable steam wand that will froth the milk to the level for even the froth art that we all seek to find and accomplish, as well as it has a second wand for hot water that you can use for tea, Americanos, and other coffee drinks when you want that instant hot water. Now this one's equipped with a control knob and bar valve, as you can see, engage, so that you can pull that exact espresso shot just as you like it. It allows you to hit those profiles for different types of beans, and it allows you to customize your pull as a professional. Also, it comes with dual gauges, so you have a gauge to monitor the pressure of your steam wand as well as your espresso head. Stainless steel, well finished, as you can see. Italian quality. On top, the cup warmer that actually works. This will heat up your cups in no time at all. It has a big water container, so it need not be attached to a continued water source. The only thing is, whenever you do use it for the first time, you're going to have to prime that water tank and that boiler. Now it may take 3 or 4 tanks, but it's worth the wait. Again, top quality product. I'm a coffee enthusiast as you. I wasted many years on consumer level machines, mocha pots, always seeking that beautiful golden creme and not able to achieve it. This machine, out of the box, within 30 to 45 minutes of using it, my 5 espresso shots, and I was able to hit that golden creme that we all seek. Again, Pathfinder by Quick Mill, Italian made, and you can have one in your kitchen.